In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a contact to Zoho CRM. Start by opening your browser and going to crm.zoho.com. Once the CRM loads, you'll land on the main workspace. The layout can vary slightly depending on your organization's settings, but the core steps are the same and easy to follow. On the left side, look for the navigation panel and click Sales. This groups together everything related to your pipeline and relationships, making it a natural place to manage people and companies. If you don't see sales right away, expand the menu or use the search bar at the top to find it. Next, select Contacts. This is where individual people are stored, clients, prospects, or stakeholders you're in touch with. Think of contacts as the people dimension, while accounts usually represent companies. Opening Contacts will show you a list view with your existing records. Now click Create Contact. This opens a form for a brand new record. You'll typically see required fields marked with an asterisk. If your team has customized the layout, you might see additional sections or different field names, and that's perfectly fine. At the top of the form, you can add a contact image. This is optional but helpful for quick recognition. Click the image area or upload button, choose a clear professional photo from your computer, and confirm the upload. If you don't have a photo, you can always add one later. Enter the contact information, start with the essentials like first name and last name, then add email and phone numbers. You can include job title, department, and the related account if this person works at a company already in your CRM. Fill in other helpful details such as lead source or owner if those fields are available. The goal is to capture accurate, searchable information, so use consistent formatting for phone numbers and names. Scroll to the address information section, add street, city, state or region, postal code, and country. If your layout includes separate mailing and other addresses, enter both as needed. Accurate addresses help with territory management and mapping features, so double-check spelling and codes, then move to description information. Here you can write context that will help anyone on your team, notes from your first conversation, preferences, best time to reach them, or any qualifiers your process uses. Keep it concise but specific enough to be useful. When everything looks good, click Save. If any required fields are missing, Zoho CRM will highlight them so you can complete the form. After saving, you'll see the new contacts record page where you can review details, log calls, add tasks, or attach files. That's it, your contact is now in Zoho CRM and ready for your team to work with.